Welcome back to the Keto Bistro. So today we're going to do some meal prep bacon. Hassle-free, mess-free bacon. So you're going to need a baking sheet, and I have my well-loved baking sheet here. So I'm going to line it with aluminum foil, and I'm going to leave like an inch or so at the top of the baking sheet to catch the grease. And then whatever bacon you use, you just want to make sure that you check the back for the carbs, because some of the maple and apple smoke has extra carbs that you just don't want. So I'm going to spray it. Since this is my first batch going in, I'm just going to spray it lightly with some cooking spray. And I'm actually going to only make one batch today. I don't have a lot of bacon left. And then I'm just going to spread it on the pan. So if you were doing multiple batches, the second batch you would not need to spray. So I've been using this bacon, and I only have 3 pieces, but I just want to show you how I do it. And a lot of times I'll do 2 batches for the week, because even though I'm the only one in the house doing keto, my family loves bacon. I'm going to preheat my oven to 375. Once you get your oven preheated to 375, you'll just put the pan in, and you're going to bake 15 to 25 minutes, depending on the crispiness, how you like your bacon. So some people like it less crispy than I do, so I'm going to bake it around 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to take it out of the oven, and like I put in the little note, you do not have to wait for it to preheat to 375. I recommend putting it in when the oven's a little bit colder. That just allows the fat to cook out slower, and it makes it crispier in the end. So 20 minutes. Great. You can store it in the freezer if you make a large batch, and then treat it like the pre-cooked bacon at the grocery store, where you heat it up in the microwave for 10-20 seconds, or in a refrigerator, airtight container. But the thing I like about this is when you get your bacon off, and this is still a little hot, but now it's basically mess-free cleanup. You'll just fold up your aluminum foil. Nice neat pan, no splattering on the oven, no cleanup on your stovetop. Don't forget to like and subscribe.